Okay, this is Chipwin. Seals. We had to switch my up, but it's not even working. Nothing's happening. So I got a new style walk control for the seals. I got to flip over his new model. Here's a question. Here you go. Got the white, the rock, and the white. There you go. Okay, here's Chipwin now. And it's a Craftsman by. No, I'm not going to use the welcome control. Here we go. Craftsman's nice. We have the Craftsman's. I'm not a big Craftsman fan, but I'm even hanging on. See if we actually. Nope. So we go up one more time with Craftsman, and then we go up on Chipwin. There's one more time with Craftsman. I'm gonna get the machine out of it. There we go. And here's the centers. I'm gonna do so centers test on this one. I'm going down. Quiet and fast. Hit Chipwin, two more times on Chipwin. That's Chipwin my mode. Chipwin's nice. So remote. Here we go. Okay, one time for yeah. So we're gonna go. So are we gonna go a long time with Chipwin? That'd be it. I'm going down. That'd be it. Long time. Yep, so happy still. There's a Craftsman. So we can't get my mount working, guys. It's not working. It's not working. So happy. He's still. And then we go up Chipwin. So it's much more time Chipwin. One time that be it. One time. Okay. Okay, there was Chipwin. The Chipwin's new here because it was a wind out in here, then Chipwin's tail. It's a Craftsman. Remote's dead. I don't know why it's not working. I'm gonna check if it's actually no, it's dead. So the Craftsman's quiet because I fixed the Craftsman one time ago. I greased the oil on it. Craftsman is kind of, I'm not a big Craftsman fan, but this is from my grandpa Terry. He wants to make money off it. So you got Terry, enjoy it, and serious, Bo Chipwin, and Mr. Craftsman, boom. Okay,